Star gone, the Imperials are evacuating all outposts. We must seize control of this site before any armament makes it off-world. We'll need firepower to breach the base ahead. We'll turn the Empire's own weapons against it. Capture an armored walker and march to the front door. We'll need to override controls at the main computer, fuel station, and walker bay. Get moving!
Overriding the walker bay control. We lost the walker bay controls!
Override program active. Taking control of the fuel station.
We're in the walker bay, running override.
Palpatine has joined the Imperials. We must be cautious. Loading override onto the main computer.
At the main computer, loading override. Imperial leader on the ground! Not sure who! They'll be coming!
Got to the main computer. Overriding now. Come out!
Decoupling cables.
We have full system control. Walker coming online.
Main systems online. Forward!
The AT-AT is marching on the enemy base. Stay with her and provide an escort. I'd expect the Empire to deploy portable rockets in response.
Skywalker has joined the battle.
absorbing damage!
You want to reconsider your actions? Be mindful of your surroundings.
Incoming rocket! Damage to the walker!
Elite ally on the ground!
Walker's taking a beating! Enemies running scared! Unidentified ally on sight! That's a hit! They're hitting the walker!
Commander Skywalker is here to aid us. Han Solo has decided to join us.
Crossing checkpoint 2. All areas laced with caves.
Who is that? Imperial elite on the ground! Unidentified ally fighting stormtroopers!
Walker taking damage!
engaged! Enemy elite on sight! Watch out!
She's hit! Walker hit!
New friendly on the ground!
Walker passing the outer wall. Approaching final destination.
Enemy rocket on target!
That's a hit! They're hitting the walker!
Walker absorbing damage!
The A is evacuated. We can clean out the base, but we've lost this battle.